Hi there, guys and gals. Good day to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Time to reveal for how much coins that I've saved. As you can see, guys and gals, congratulate me because I can't really believe, but I beat my record last week. From 2,900 something, I've got a whopping of 3,332 pesos! Oh my gosh! God is so good. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Guys and gals, you can do it, okay? Either coins, peso bills, just make it, okay? Sometimes it's hard to think that you couldn't make it, but you really can. If I can, you can also. Right? Save money as always, for life is being unpredictable. Bye!